Hello everyone, welcome to a conversation that could change the way you think about your business, your brand, and even your own name. Today we're diving into why a name is more than just a word. It's your promise, your reputation, and a valuable asset. Your name is the first thing people remember, and often the last thing they forget. It's the foundation of trust and recognition in the business world. Let's look at a real-world example, Taylor Swift. She's not just a global superstar. Her name itself is a brand worth millions, if not more. Recently, a company tried to use the name Swift Home for their products, hoping to benefit from the recognition and trust associated with her name. Taylor Swift's team acted fast to protect her brand. They understood that letting someone else use her name could damage her reputation and dilute her brand's value. This isn't just celebrity news. It's a lesson in business, money, and the law. It shows how even the most famous names must be vigilant to protect what they've built. The Swift Home saga shows why defending your brand is essential for your financial security. If you don't take action, you risk losing control over your identity and your future earnings. It's about ownership and control over your financial destiny. Your name is your most personal asset, and in business, it can be your most powerful tool. We'll break down what happened, why it mattered, and what you can learn from it. Understanding these lessons can help you avoid costly mistakes and protect your own brand. Think about your own name or business. Are you protecting it? Have you taken steps to secure your brand, or are you leaving it vulnerable to misuse? By the end, you'll know what it takes to defend what's yours. You'll see why it's not just about legal paperwork, but about safeguarding your hard work and your future. This is a real-world lesson with real consequences. The stakes are high, and the risks are real for anyone with something valuable to protect. Let's unpack the Swift Home saga and discover what it truly means for you, your business, and the power of your name. Before we dive into the story, let's take a moment to clarify. What exactly is a trademark, and why is it so important for your business? A trademark is a powerful tool that protects your brand identity. It can be a name, a logo, a symbol, or even a unique phrase, anything that distinguishes your business from the competition and helps customers recognize you instantly. Think about the golden arches of McDonald's or the iconic Nike swoosh. These are trademarks that have become symbols of trust and quality around the world. A trademark acts as your legal fence, sending a clear message to everyone. This identity belongs to me and my business. When you register a trademark, you gain exclusive rights to use that mark for your products or services, giving you a significant advantage in the marketplace. If someone tries to use a similar name, logo, or design, your trademark gives you the legal power to stop them and protect what you've built. This protection is crucial because it prevents consumer confusion. Without a trademark, customers might accidentally buy from a competitor who's copying your look or name, thinking it's you. Your brand's reputation is one of your most valuable assets, built over time through hard work and trust. If another company uses a similar name or logo, it can seriously damage your reputation, erode customer trust, and even hurt your sales. For example, Taylor Swift's name and signature are registered trademarks for a wide range of products, from music to merchandise. This means she has complete control over how her name is used in commerce, ensuring her brand stays strong and protected. A trademark isn't just a piece of paper. It's a shield that guards your business, your reputation, and your financial future from those who might try to take advantage. If you're serious about building a lasting business, securing a trademark is one of the smartest moves you can make. It's your first line of defense in the world of business. Now let's take a closer look at how the Swift Home story unfolded. A case that highlights just how quickly things can escalate in the world of trademarks and brand protection. In early 2025, Cathay Home Inc., a company known for its bedding and home goods, submitted an application to trademark the name Swift Home. Their goal was to launch a new line of products under this brand, hoping to stand out in a crowded market. At first glance, this seemed like a routine business move. After all, companies file for trademarks every day to protect their brands and ideas. But in this case, the name Swift caught the attention of a much bigger player. Taylor Swift's team at TAS Rights Management, who are responsible for safeguarding her brand and intellectual property, noticed the application almost immediately. Their job is to ensure that anything associated with the Taylor Swift name remains exclusive and protected, since her brand is not only famous, but also extremely valuable. They understood that even a seemingly unrelated trademark could create confusion or dilute the strength of the Taylor Swift brand. Viewing the Swift Home application as a potential threat, they acted quickly. On February 11, 2026, Taylor Swift's company filed a formal opposition with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. This legal filing argued that allowing Swift Home to proceed could harm Taylor Swift's reputation and brand identity. What started as a simple trademark application soon escalated into a full-blown legal dispute, with both sides preparing their arguments and legal teams. The opposition made it clear that Taylor Swift's team was ready to defend her brand at all costs. Surprisingly, just 2 days after the opposition was filed, Cathay Home decided to withdraw their application for Swift Home. Rather than engage in a lengthy and expensive legal battle, they chose to step back and abandon the trademark. In less than 48 hours, what could have become a drawn-out conflict was resolved, and the potential threat to the Swift brand was completely neutralized. This rapid outcome demonstrates just how effective strong brand protection can be when handled by a vigilant legal team. A well-defended trademark doesn't just protect a name, it can prevent costly disputes and safeguard a company's reputation before problems even begin. That's the power of proactive brand protection, and it's a lesson for any business looking to secure its future. Why did Taylor Swift's team act so fast? To protect her brand from confusion and dilution. The proposed Swift Home trademark looked and sounded too much like Taylor Swift's own brand, even using a similar cursive font. The legal issue here is likelihood of confusion. Customers might think Taylor endorsed those products. Taylor already has trademarks for her name on products like bed linens. Allowing Swift Home would create direct competition and weaken her brand. When your name is your business, you can't let others use it without permission. Her team made it clear. The Swift name is a core asset, and they'll defend it. Why did Cathay Home give up so quickly? They faced a choice: fight a costly legal battle or walk away. Their attorney said the Swift Home name wasn't essential to their business. They hadn't started selling products under that name, so abandoning it was easy. No major investment was lost. They could simply choose a new name. Cathay Home already had a coexistence agreement with Taylor Swift's team for another mark. They knew the power of the Swift brand and wanted to avoid conflict. Sometimes, the smartest business move is to avoid a fight you can't win. They chose to pivot and protect their resources. In business, knowing when to walk away is key. To understand this story, you need to grasp the value of the Taylor Swift brand. She's not just a superstar. Her name is a billion-dollar asset. The Eras Tour alone generated billions, all powered by her brand. Her name guarantees quality and connection, making it incredibly valuable. TAS Rights Management exists to protect that value, registering her name, signature, and even lyrics as trademarks. This ensures she controls how her brand is used and who profits from it. Defending her trademarks isn't petty, it's strategic. Letting others use similar names would weaken her brand's power. For a brand this valuable, there's no room for compromise. So, who won? Taylor Swift, decisively. Cathay Home dropped their application, and the threat was gone before it started. No court battle, no negative publicity, just swift, effective action. Taylor's strong trademark portfolio made her case unbeatable. This outcome sends a message. Her brand is monitored and fiercely defended. Each successful defense makes it easier to protect her brand in the future. For Cathay Home, it was a smart retreat. They avoided a costly fight. In business, sometimes the best move is knowing when to step back. But in this trademark dispute, Taylor Swift's strategy was flawless. That's how you protect a brand. This isn't just about celebrities. There are lessons here for everyone building a business or brand. First, take ownership of your name from day one. Register a trademark early. Don't wait until you're successful. Protect your brand as soon as possible. Second, be vigilant. Monitor the marketplace for similar names or logos. Taylor Swift's team acted fast because they were always watching. Set up alerts and searches for your brand name online. If you spot a problem, consult a legal professional and act quickly. Protecting your brand isn't aggressive, it's smart business. You're defending your reputation and your customers from confusion. A cease and desist letter or formal opposition is standard practice. Having your legal paperwork in order gives you leverage. Keep good records and know your rights. Preparation lets you resolve disputes quickly and from a position of strength. That's the foundation of a secure business. The Swift Home saga shows that in business, your name is your money. Whether it's your personal name or a brand, it holds your reputation and your customers' trust. Be strategic. Before launching, check that your name isn't already taken. A unique name saves you from legal trouble and financial loss. Don't fall in love with a name until you know you can own it. Smart brand protection is smart financial management. Build your brand and protect it fiercely. Thanks for watching, and remember, what you build is yours.